much, your girl. On today's episode, we're going to be making some spring rolls because it is so hot outside and nobody trying to make no heat from the oven and the stove top and all that. So yeah, we're making a no cook dish today, and let me drop down so y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, you guys, so first off, we're going to start by making the filling, and you're going to need some parsley, half of an avocado, half of a cucumber, half of a zucchini, some grated carrots, and also some sliced mushrooms. So we're just going to make this into strips, everything besides the mushrooms. We also have some spinach too I'm going to put in there. I'm just going to keep it whole, but if you would like to cut it to make it smaller, then go ahead and do that. I'm also going to keep the parsley whole too, so I'm not going to be slicing that at all. But everything else we're going to be slicing. So we are going to put this to the side so we can get started with the dipping sauce. Okay, so for the dipping sauce, you're going to need some peanut butter. Doesn't matter what peanut butter you get, just some kind of peanut butter. Some soy sauce, a lime or lemon, something acidic. And I also add miso paste in mine, but it is not a necessity. You don't have to have miso paste. I just like the way miso paste tastes and things, so yeah. So we're just going to take a big scoop of peanut butter. Let's see. Might just use up all of what I have in here. Let's see. That is about, I would say it's about half a cup of peanut butter in there. Now I'm just going to squeeze half a lime on there. Now for the soy sauce, we're just going to, I like to eyeball the soy sauce. So that's probably about like 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then lastly, about a spoonful of the miso paste. Okay, and all we're gonna do is just mix that up. It takes a little used to mixing up because the peanut butter and the soy sauce don't really wanna combine together. But okay, so this is the consistency that you want. It is all nice and incorporated like that. As you can see, it's just really creamy and thick. I want to put that to the side so we can eat that later. And I'm gonna clean up a little bit because I've been spilling. And we're gonna go ahead and start assorting the spring rolls. Okay, so for our rice paper, we're going to be using this that I got from my local Asian market, and it was $1 something. So what you want to do is take one out and just put it under the kitchen faucet. Let the water run over this for about 3 seconds. Okay, so it'll look like this after you run the water on it, and that just means that the water is soaking in there and turning into the consistency that we want. So I'm just gonna let this sit right here for a little while, like maybe, I would give it like 30 seconds to a minute, just so the water is incorporating in there good. So while it is, I'm just gonna go ahead and start and put my fillings in there. What you want to do is you want to put it to one side, almost like wrapping it like a burrito. So I'm putting some spinach, some avocado, some mushrooms, some cucumber, some zucchini, some carrots. Okay. So now, as you can see, our spring paper is getting a little bit more flexible. So all we're gonna do is roll it just like a burrito. Take it, push the fillings to one side, start rolling. And that is one spring roll right there. Really easy. I'm just gonna set that to the side and start making some more. like after they're finished wrapped. They look beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat these with the peanut sauce. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the peanut sauce on there and it's looking so good. Can y'all see that? That is really good. Okay, you guys, my camera is acting crazy, so I have to hold it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me finish doing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit me with a like if you like this video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.